So just removed the feet and covers, took the screws out from all these holes around here. There's a sticker here too, with a warranty sticker that I had to remove to get to that thing there. And then that one there might have a rubber foot. Definitely looks like it needs a clean out though. Not sure if it works or not because the power button's broken. And then for this, there's 4 screws here, and I think they're T8 screw bits. Okay, and this should lift off. And yeah, quite dusty. Just a piece of plastic. It's obviously what's broken. I could hear rattling around. Okay, so I cleaned out all the dust on the side there with the vents. It seems like that will be kind of where it breathes or sucks in the air. Still a bit dusty on this side. So just wondering if I should take this apart and see what laser it has, because my other one has a faulty laser. So I guess I'm just going to take this apart. See if it's got the same one. So yeah, it's taking the power power supply board out, 2 screws on either side. those two wires, and this should just pull out. So then this screw here. So probably a good idea to take out the power supply too, so you can clean out this like heat sink thing. Yeah, and then you can get down here a bit more too, and these kind of vents. But yeah, I'm just going to reassemble it, I guess. So now that I put it back together, I'm just kind of cleaning the dust out on these side bits. Pretty dusty. So yeah, that's it.